friends, welcome back to my channel. It's time for traveling again. It's beautiful and it's a summer. So in this video, I'm gonna give you a walking tour of the world famous water town, Venice in Italy, and also the hotel review, the hotel that I'm staying here, the JW Marriott in Venice. So are you ready? Let's go.
Venice is the most beautiful city I've ever seen before. It's very hard for me to explain, but I really love it. The first thing I saw when I got off the train is this. And they have a lot of people move your luggages to the hotel that you don't have to walk or take a water taxi. If you want to walk to your hotel and you don't have to drag your luggage, you can just use one of those services. You see, like this. But for me, I'm going to stay in the hotel. It's called a JW Marriott, and it's in the different islands, so I have to take a water taxi to San Marco, and then they do have a free hotel shuttle to the hotel. So that's I'm going to take a water taxi right here.
JW Marriott Hotel Shuttle is located at San Marco Square. Scheduled departure time is every 30 minutes from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. The ride is 20 minutes with free Wi-Fi on board. This is the room tour of the room type Studio King. Contemporary decoration with king-size bed in bedroom. The living room design is very simple and minimalist, but I enjoyed the open space. Minibar is including a bottle of water, Easzee coffee machine, tea bags, soda, and juices. Bathtub and toilet are separated from rain shower. Standard luxury hotel design. Also comes with a double vanity and JW Marriott signature amenities. Very nice and a spacious balcony. This is the biggest hotel balcony I have ever seen so far. Rooftop restaurant and infinity pool with gorgeous view. This is a perfect place to enjoy sunset every day. The hotel comes with a full-size gym and the refreshments. Unfortunately, it is located in a different building. You have to walk for a few minutes. This is the resort full of greens, trees, grasses, parks are everywhere. You can also do picnic here. There's also a second pool besides infinity pool on the rooftop. Things I like about this hotel: private island, great service, good restaurants, nice infinity pool, reliable shuttle service. Things I don't like about this hotel: pool closed at 8 p.m., room decorations can be updated, elite members should have a faster check-in window. Overall, 4.7 stars.
There are 4 museums here in the San Marco Plaza, and I would suggest you to get tickets in advance because the line is really long, especially come here around after 11 a.m. It's basically a long line everywhere. Even though prepaid ticket, you would have to stand in line. So if you can get something like skip the line tickets or something, it will save you a lot of time because Venice is full of tourists. It's basically there's nothing else but tourists here. A lot of people everywhere, crowded everywhere. Bridges, almost impossible to take a video or picture of without people. So but you know what, it's a beautiful city. I just love it. So one ticket is good for 4 museums, and I stood in line for 20 minutes because I did not get tickets in advance. It's actually very beautiful here, and I don't think I want to visit all of them, but at least like 1 or 2. I am more interested in Plaza Ducal. Am I saying it right? Ducal. And I want to visit that one first. Let's see. Just finished the Doge's Palace, Plaza Ducale. My Italian is really bad. Now we're just gonna walk around the Venice. They're setting up for a private event, so they're kicking us out. I believe these are the residential street. This is where people live. It's really old, but it's very charming. Look. You know what's so amazing about Venice that I found? If you stay far away from the tourist area, and all those residential areas are really, really quiet. This is it, the Marriott Bridge. I know I pronounced probably not very well, but hey, here we are. This is something that I definitely don't like about Venice, is that you have to pay in order to use the bathroom. Not only you have to pay, but also it's not cheap. It's €1.50. So if you don't have coins, you cannot use the bathroom. So I would suggest you to use the bathroom of the restaurant. Just sit there and get some drink, get ice cream maybe, and then use bathroom there. So you don't have to really pay for the bathroom. That's just insane in my opinion. See, you find a nice restaurant with a nice view and you can use bathroom for free. Look at the view here.
Venice is one of the most special and beautiful city I have ever visited. This should be on everyone's list, and you should come to visit at least once in your lifetime. From a unique gondola experience to Gothic architecture, from Roman history to charming bridges, this place indeed has its own style which nowhere else in the world would be able to offer.